Do you have anything else to add on this stuff? So yeah, pretty soon we're gonna have like a nicer board, a little bit, but he made it for now, something simple for us to visualize. So since the acquisitions team exceeded the 118, we'll do some kind of raffle. I bought some cool shit today, and I wanna, you guys killed it, so I want to reward it. So the acquisitions. I don't know how we're gonna raffle this. Actually, I didn't even think of this far.
Whoever eats more pastelitos gets the.
So you guys can pick. It's gonna be one winner though. One winner. This is one gift. Another gift to these Bose headphones. Or a GoPro.
Oh shit!
He just lost it.
I just lost my GoPro.
If you would have acquired some deals, man, you could have won that shit.
Let me see that JBL. Let me see that JBL.
Don't touch it.
Oh, okay.
That's the one you want? Is that the one you want?
That's the one. I want the Bose.
So I mean, I guess we do like an acquisitions.
Okay.
So it'd be.
Which one is the most expensive gift then?
It's got different values to different.
I'm talking
So it'll be Jules, Barbie will be in there because she's doing the lead management. Denise, Barrios, you're hiding back there. You're not even gonna shit.
I'm not hiding. This is the last chair available. Barbie took mine. Dude.
Why'd you say
Anything. You got up
What'd you say?
For a one?
One winner, they all contribute to acquisitions, but we're gonna raffle.
There's a Cuban rule.
One winner takes all?
One winner picks one. One winner picks one.
How are you gonna do it?
Huh?
How are you gonna do it?
How are we gonna do it?
Names in a hat.
We can do names in a hat, or
Who can chug the Don Julio fastest? It's a win for everyone.
maybe at 5 p.m. because then no one's gonna do shit.
That's true.
on a Friday.
Or we could do.
You should raffle the 1942 too.
Just say it.
I like that. That's pretty good.
I know Rodrigo will pick that one because he's always
Alright, next week's raffle, we're gonna put the 1942 in there.
Man, that was easy, boy.
I guess let's write some names in a thing. We'll shake it up.
Get the Santa hat.
Yeah, let's get the Santa hat.
Yeah,
Yeah, are you using these papers?
We're gonna need them, yeah.
Okay, so we'll get something else. We
You
can-
know,
Put on here, Tom.
you got
I want
enough.
it.
You have.
You have a pen here? Or?
Yeah, you have your pen here.
That's right.
I'll do it.
See.
Put my name.
You want
every
this
single
paper?
one.
Just rip it
Yeah, I'm
up.
gonna give you one of
Wait.
those.
What is that?
Just tear it up.
So we got Jules, then we have Barbie, then we have Ken, and then we have Denise, so I'll skip you.
Write it so you can read it.
Mario's. So now, this is the part that's gonna be fun. Oh gosh. I
Just fold them.
Wow, look at that. I've done this before. Who puts that in there? Cut that a little. Alright.
No.
Looking at individually.
No, they gotta look equally.
I know, it's fine.
The fixes it.
Here's what come on.
Shake 'em up.
in a Santa hat.
Shake them up.
It should be last one out, huh? So there's more anticipation.
Oh, God.
Last one out.
Last one out.
Throw it in the hat.
Yeah, I can throw the hat out.
Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
No, they're gonna come out together. You put them together.
Last one out, and we'll have you pick one, he picks one, you pick one. So
God damn it. If you pick my name, Adrian.
One for you, Kevin.
make sure you try to get one.
Well.
Yes.
You said the name, and that one didn't win.
No, little one.
Oh, that's torture.
Non-winner is Kevin.
Yeah! You jinxed this! Dude, there's no better joy.
I she was gonna buy a GoPro the other day.
Okay, but go fast!
That's really what's.
Da, 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 da.
This is terrible.
You're not the winner.
Oh!
You got it.
Are we sharing?
No collusion.
Okay. How many more are there? 3 more?
Oh wait, is this the last one?
I don't know.
No. It's missing Barrios, Denise, Barbie, and Vanessa.
So the last one Amanda's gonna pick out. Go.
Okay. Denise, I'm sorry.
So it's me and Barrios right now?
Yeah.
The tribe has spoken.
Whoever's left.
I bought the.
Maybe I like you, okay?
I do too. Look, I bought the.
We've known each other for like 3 years, 4 years.
This is where karma comes in.
Barbie!
Am I the last one? Yes?
Yes.
Well,
Kevin.
Raul Bolufe! No, so you get to pick
I get the GoPro.
Fuck you.
Alright.
That was a good day. Good day.
So now that it's exciting, you still got a chance to win the whole thing.
He's gonna wear it at
This, and then we're gonna add the Don Julio 1942. But it's only if the department reaches or exceeds goals. If there's no, obviously no make no money. If not, then me and Liz keep this shit.